We dey build club wey we go sustain to be one of the best for the world. Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, on Monday, July 24, 2023, talk this one when he carry waka go train with the Bendel Insurance for their training ground for Benin City, Edo State. Comrade Shaibu wey talk to Tori people after the training come talk say dem go reward the team wey dey take bring honour to their papa land and say belle sweet everybody for the state wey dey take win the Federation Cup after 43 years. Oga Shaibu Kosti talk say dem go try attract more private sector to sponsor the team as they don already get sponsors for the team JC. And say the team go always dey focused, discipline and work together as na these things dem no Bendel Insurance for. And say the state government go always collaborate with them to bring more success.
The entire continent, I'll use the word continent, wherever Nigerians are all over the world, they are so happy and excited about the feats that Bendel Insurance had during the last season. Beating all records, being the first team in Nigeria to play the entire league without being defeated. It's not something that is common. And also winning the FA Cup after 43 years. And first time of coming to MPFL, also getting a ticket to play in the continent. So it's all three record Insurance have set, and that is one thing that we continue to celebrate. And I'm sure we're going to celebrate very soon when the governor approves, when we will celebrate with the players and go around with the trophy. And I'm here today to see how both the new players and the old players are preparing for the season. I'm aware that the Continental Games might be starting in August. If the calendar is not adjusted, it will be starting our Continental Games in August. And we have to beef up the teams. And I'm just here to see the new players, to see how they are faring and see how good they are. And also to, as usual, play with them from both sides. I scored penalty there and I scored a direct goal here. It's one of those skills. I think it's not that Bendel Insurance have too many skillful players. I should be signing another season. But nonetheless, I was just here to have fun. We had a mix that is making sport back to Edo. So the victory and the successes we have achieved in sport in Edo is not attributed to one man. I am in charge, but I am in charge because there are other technical persons that are brought in. So it's a team spirit. So one person cannot really claim to have done the work. It's a teamwork. And that is why I always attribute it to teamwork, because sport is all about team spirit. So it's a teamwork. I at the top, the chairman, the boards, and all other commission members. So that is it. And the governor also on the other side approving all those things that we need to sustain and actually achieve the dream. So it's a team. It's a teamwork. Promote that team spirit and oneness and discipline. And that is what Bendel Insurance is known for.
From Benin City, Awero Swogene Ejo, TMC TV News.